So a little bit of fashion history for you. Let's talk about blonde hair. Blonde hair has been fashionable in the West since ancient Greece. But as we all know, a lot of people start life as blonde, but then at some point their hair gets darker. And people have spent a lot of energy and ingenuity on lightening their hair through time, especially women, of course. Now, in modern times, we have chemicals to do that, and then, also domestic things. People put lemon juice in their hair and go out in the sun. But in earlier times, say in the Italian Renaissance, they didn't know about lemons. I'm not sure why, and they didn't have today's chemicals, so they used other things. For instance, horse piss. Now, that's something they did have because every Renaissance house had stables with horses. Piss is easy to collect if you put a bucket under the horse, and it has a lot of ammonia in it, and it's sterile, though I don't know if they knew that. So they would soak their hair in horse piss and go up on the roof of their palazzo and stretch it all out. They had lots of hair back then. And they would stretch it out on something a little like what we today would call a clothes horse, and their hair would turn blonde. And I know that sounds utterly disgusting, but go to a beauty parlor someday and breathe deep.